Thank you for your nice input and your
Thank you,
suggestions.
ma'am.
Everybody will be knowing, even the people who are not doing in this way, it can be helpful for everybody.
Yes,
Thanks a
ma'am.
lot, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Now my next question is to, yes. My next question is to Mr. P. Khanderan, Khanderasan, Principal, Navneeta Public School. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
welcome to this show.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure being here.
Yeah,
Please.
sir, welcome. I hope I have pronounced your name properly,
Yes,
because I
yes.
am very much
No,
worried about the pronunciation of my name also.
uh, along with me, my name also sounds very
Yeah,
strange.
sir,
I am
as
Kadiresan. I am Kadiresan. That's how it's pronounced.
yeah,
Yeah.
Kadiresan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Please.
So, sir, one thing is, till now I have talked with our two panelists who are
Yes.
ladies. So,
Yes.
being a male member, now what are
Yes.
your views about the role of the teachers as an educator, as a homemaker also? Because you must be, as a principal, you must be heading with maximum of the female staff members.
Perfect.
So, how do you think that these virtual staff rooms are very much important for our teachers,
Great.
both
Great.
male and female? But I think for female it will be much more required. Yes.
I don't want to bring a gender bias here, but certainly I will be sharing my views on it.
Yeah, we
Before
should
I
not be. We should not be.
then,
Yeah.
then the male kind of egos and the female egos would catch up, and that's the reason I wish I stayed neutral, because tomorrow at the end of the day, tomorrow I'll have to come to my school and manage with both the people, you know. That's the reason I wish I
No, no, we
don't.
have to stay. We have to stay neutral.
Yes, that's the reason.
We have to
Yeah,
stay neutral. It is just for the sake like
I
female
know
have to
that.
have a lot of burden of their household activities also.
I know, Miss
Yes.
Suchita. Thank you for that wonderful
Yeah.
question. Before I go with the response to the question, I would just like to throw light on the school setup which I am working in. I work in a place called Nellore in Andhra Pradesh, where
Okay.
the school is located in a port area. It is one of the biggest port in the eastern region, and this port runs the school. Why? What is the need for me to specify about the school is this school is run under CSR initiative, which is the corporate social responsibility. So the children are given free education. They are all the underprivileged children. They don't have a permanent roof above their head also at times. So with this background is what our kind of lesson started during the pandemic. And understand the parents, some of the parents didn't have a mobile too. They, in case they had their mobiles, there was network issues and all those things,
Obviously.
and then how to connect with the children. And our teachers did a wonderful job. It was very tough task coordinating with the students, the parents, but still now we stand with almost close to 100% of the children with an Android phone, but still working on the connectivity issues, because connectivity networks are not within our reach. Anyway, now the essence of staff room. Why do we need a staff room? It is that a kind of ice breaking when you have a even a reality work reality staff room. It acts as a icebreaker. They come laugh out after a busy class schedule. They discuss many ideas. They discuss uh, all their chances of discussions, exchange of ideas, thoughts, everything happened there. Now we were all put in a very bad state of situation that everybody were working remotely, just like robots. You were asked to do something and then they were doing it. That's probably for a team to work on. We cannot do things remotely, but it was essentially our leadership roles which were forced to bring in all of them together as a team. Believe me, the teacher community in general have done a tremendous job by very quickly adapting to the situation. They were not techno savvy. They didn't know how to use their mobiles. They didn't know how to go in for a Google Meet or whatsoever. But right now, they are more professional by using technology, and God willing, after the school reopens, they can use this technology to their strength actually in their actual classroom. Those virtual staff room was very essential to bring all of them together for sharing their thoughts, ideas, and more, to make them very comfortable. Comfortable in what sense? Both physically, emotionally, socially, all kind of, physically to stretch up also. There were, I could very well cite examples where we had uh, physical exercise, yoga, meditation, all those happening early in the morning for only the staff to keep their morale very high. And there were relaxing sessions on conducting a virtual antakshari uh, sharing their uh, lunch virtually, like Dr. Gulshan just before our session talked about. Everybody feels more excited than the routine and this would actually get in some interest away from the routine. If you're going to only, yes, I know it is essential to support the teachers for technically, and to show them the way forward, because they were not used to. But equally, it is to create an interest, equally to forego that fear that I would not be able to, and all those stuff. We had to cater to all their inhibitions. We had to bring it up. I think we will have to give them that enough opportunity, though otherwise our connections also, uh, later, probably emotionally also, you need to connect. One or two cases
It will break. Yes.
where one or two cases where the family members were tested positive. If you're just going to leave without an interaction, without a connection, you will not have that bondage between the team. And there, this virtual staff room is perfectly an essential thing to cater all the cognitive domains, like physical, social, emotional connect, everything. And that's how our teachers are charged up for the next session. So that I think speaks of
Yeah.
the response for your question, Mr. Suchi.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So nice of you, sir. You have
Thank you, Dr.
thrown a very
Suchita.
good light on this topic, and it is very much important. Yes.
But
Now, my next question is to Dr. Rupali Dandere. Dr. Rupali, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good
Am I
afternoon, ma'am.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. Yeah, ma'am.
Good
Yes, I
afternoon.
just want to ask you, like, as we have already as we have already discussed that somehow we require these virtual staff rooms, because virtual classrooms are, we have already discussed a lot. We require these virtual staff rooms. And what about conducting of workshops, some motivational workshops for the teachers to bring their to raise their morale? What are your views about how we can conduct those workshops? Do we want to conduct the workshops in the workshop stage, or it can be sometime some bit different also? How we can raise the morale of our teachers?
Raise the
Hello.
morale of the teachers. First thing, I thank everyone, the esteemed panel. Hello. Ma'am, am I audible?